Oh boy, I'd say it's a no-brainer when it comes to websites and electronic media. Do I do a lot of that? Absolutely. I certainly I want to say half of what I do, only because I do a lot of different creative stuff. Certainly, online and websites have become super prominent and super important because who doesn't need a website? Who doesn't want a website? So, what's most important to me when it comes to websites is making sure that it's responsive on a phone, on a mobile device. That's really important. Making sure that it's interesting and intriguing. So when people see it, they're actually interested in it, and they want to engage in it. Maybe number three, that it captures the brand essence, that it truly captures the product, service, or business, or whatever, to the letter. The right fonts, the right colors, so forth and so on. But there are just so many different websites I've worked on, and they're all very different here. Different, like this one here, DDH, Direct Digital Holdings. Making sure you think outside the box a little bit and using more modern colors and fonts. Like this one here has video capability in the background, showing people in motion. Here, this is actually their town in Texas. Showing how fast they're at work here. Creating a brand is just such a special thing to do. And so, in thinking in terms of websites, it's super important to make sure that it captures their brand essence, who they are as people, and what it is they do. Decrypt Studios, this is think cryptocurrency, whatever, great group of people. But making sure that, again, it's sort of dynamic. You see, instead of a static piece of art on the top, add some motion to it, add some movement to it. Making sure that it tells a story, that it's engaging, that it's interesting, that it's intriguing. That all of that kind of stuff is really important to me. But I've done a lot of different websites, a lot of different designs. Again, each one has sort of a different look and feel to it. And I treat each one differently because they all have their own look and feel to it. So I treat each project differently, but I certainly do a lot of websites, a lot of different types of websites. Oh, that one's not even showing now. I got to check on that one there. Some of them are just works of pleasure, doing stuff, working on websites of projects and things that I love, like this Tai Chi website here that I love Tai Chi. I love doing that stuff. So when you're working on something that you love doing, it just makes it all that more exciting to work on. I think that plays a major part in any project that you work on.